To check your battery health status in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find device care. Tap device care. Scroll down the screen. Under additional care section, tap diagnostic. Next, tap phone diagnostic. Scroll down the screen. Now, tap the battery status icon to start checking your health status. Tap test button, or if you have tested it before, tap test again to start testing your battery. Once the testing process has done, you can see your battery health status as you can see in the screen. The battery health status is normal and the battery life status is good. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.